Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage. So guys, if you're trying to activate or turn on iMessage and FaceTime on your Apple device but you're facing this pop-up and you're unable to fix this, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you activate iMessage and FaceTime. So guys, basically this is not an error, this is just a normal procedure to activate iMessage and FaceTime on your Apple device. So guys, getting the your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage prompt is a normal part of Apple's activation process. To verify your phone number, your iPhone needs to send a hidden standard SMS to Apple's activation servers. So as once it is done, your iMessage and FaceTime will be activated after the verification process. So as you have to simply turn on iMessage and FaceTime, and you have to simply tap on OK button, and then your number will be verified from the Apple servers, and after this your iMessage and FaceTime will be activated. So as this is not a problem, this is a normal part of Apple's activation process of iMessage and FaceTime. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.